Now, hi everyone. Here I have a Suzuki RM 100 1979. It's a barn find project. Actually, it's a very good base for restoration. So all original parts are here, except the cylinder barrel. You can see it here, which is RM 100 on the frame, and we have the same here, the engine casing. I have all original parts: exhaust, carburetor, new seat cover, and I got some new old stock throttle cable and this plastic bag. New old stock cylinder head came from USA. And the problem here is that she came with a cylinder barrel, but the head but is not correct. The size on the bottom is different. Also, air intake valve is different, so I need to find new cylinder barrel for it, and basically, and the piston, of course, and piston rings, and maybe do the completely strip down and do the powder coat the frame and swing arm, the new chain and sprockets, refurbish the plastics, and should be another one survived. So that's RM 100. Uh, 1979. Airbox, and usually they all have a parts missing if you find them somewhere, especially the airbox and a few small bits. Fuel tank is pretty much good and clean. Front forks, it's not surface rust on them at all, as usual I see on the old RMs. One problem here is the gear lever. It's welded on the shaft here, so that's the one problem. I have to probably find the new gear shaft, and I have spare original brake lever here. So it's a little hole in the casing. It's a little bolt there. So this is a hole, but it's all fine. Again, as you can see, RM 100. So let's see in the next few months how we do and fix this bike, or how the progress will go. I will upload another video straight away if I have more news about this rare enough motocross machine. Okay guys, see you at another video.